What's good, everybody? It's your boy Tone, my gym box, man. We're gonna talk about the best diet that I like. I know I haven't tried every diet in the world, but I must say the best diet for me, the best diet, to lose weight, to lose fat, and it's gonna sound backwards. Keto diet. We're gonna talk about a keto diet. Man, you can eat pork, you can eat bacon, you can eat cow, you can eat chicken. You can eat all that, and you can eat all this in the morning time, noon, day, night, any day, any time of the day. That's a keto diet, which means hardly no carbs. So you can wake up in the morning. This is when I got on the keto diet, this is what I did. And I was on the keto diet for about 90 days. What I did, I made me a big batch of meatloaf. And I ate meatloaf in the morning. I ate meatloaf when I was working on the job. I ate meatloaf at night. Meatloaf. Now, you're not used to this, so your body is gonna take your body to adjust to that. So all that meat is gonna take you a while to use the bathroom, get your body right, your everything, man. Your bowels moving together because you're eating a lot of meat. But that's the whole point, eating meat, keto diet. Go work out, do keto. If you can work out for 3 days out of the week, or just do cardio 3 days out of the week. 20 minutes, that's all you need. And stay with that keto diet 30 to 90 days. I say 90 days on the keto diet. See, this is my plan. This is how I get down. And I know everybody like, well, what you used to do? And when I get on the keto diet, no lie, I can do a keto diet for about 60 days. And then I switch that, the 30 days after that, I just be on nothing but fish and greens. I'm basically setting my body up to basically, lose all that fat and just shred it all off. And it's crazy how all that fat that you eat on the keto diet, it turns into energy. So basically, when you eating a lot of meat, it turns into energy when you on that keto diet, man. Stay on that keto diet. Try not to eat no carbs. Now, doing the keto diet, that means you need to do keto diet all day, every day, 1 through 7 days, Monday through Sunday. You know what I'm saying? You need to do a keto diet. So that basically means no cheating, no carbs. Like I said, if you don't know what carbs is, bread, macaroni and cheese, oodles, noodles, Debbie cakes, cereal. Stay off of milk. You can do cheese though. What else? Off the top of the head, I don't know, but you get the drill. Basically anything dealing with bread. So if you buy a sandwich from McDonald's or Burger King or anything, take the bread off and just eat the meat and the vegetables that's on top of it with the cheese. So you could go to Hardee's right now, no lie. This is a keto diet, and this is the trick I teach you right here. I want some fast food. All right, go to Hardee's, get you one of them big pound cheeseburgers, but take the meat off. Just eat the beef and the cheese and everything on it. No, you can't eat fries because it's carbs, so you can't have no fries. And just drink water. Powerade, the zero carb type joint is the ones I drink. The zero carb joints. That's the ones I drink. All right. So keto diet between 30 to 60 days. 30 to 90 days. If you do a keto diet, if you want to switch, do a keto diet for 60 days, and then your other 30 days out of that 90, do nothing but fish and greens, and then you watch your body shred. Watch all the fat. Of course, the 30 and 60 days that you do the keto diet, your body's going to be, you're going to start seeing your abs. It depends on how much fat you got on you anyway. And it's crazy. You're going to start seeing your body change. If you do what I'm telling you, and you go work out at least 3 days out of the week, man, come on now. Lift some weights. Do some cardio. Cardio your best friend. You see my other video, you got to do that. And then that other 30 days. So if you do keto January, February, I'm just an example. Keto January, February, and then when March get here, be on nothing but fish and greens for a whole month, 30 days. Well, 28 days. But anyway, it don't matter. Just that whole month. And you watch your body change, man. It's discipline and sacrifice, so it's gonna be crazy. You're gonna be like, if you do it, you're gonna be like, man, this is a struggle. You really did this? Yeah, I really did this. Yeah, this is what I do. I can do this. If I really get down to it, I can do it right now and then switch up my whole body, which my body doesn't look bad now. I still got a six pack, but it's not like competition ready. So my body fat is like kind of high. My body fat about 14%, so that's kind of high right now. I can't drop it down to 10 or lower, but I'm not. I'm just gonna keep it here for right now until about another month or two or something. I may switch up. But at the end of the day, make sure y'all do that keto diet. You can eat meatloaf in the morning, anything. You can eat make you some steak, but I don't recommend you to eat steak like forever. Just wake up in the morning, get you a good breakfast. Keto diet. Bacon and eggs. That's the keto diet. Bacon and eggs. You can do that. No toast. Juice, a little limited on the juice, not a lot of juice. Can't do a lot because juice got carbs, orange juice got carb in it. I'm talking like competitive type wise. You know what I'm saying? If you want your body to look different and you want your body to look like you've never seen it before, you have to do things that you've never done before. You already know that. You know, to be better in life, you have to do something that you never done before. You know what I mean? So that's life. All right. So y'all already know. If y'all got any questions, let me know. That's a keto diet. Like I said, you can eat pork, you can eat meat, you can eat chicken, anything, beef. Yeah, you can eat all that. You can still go to fast food, but you can't eat no bread. Take that bread off anything. Even if you have a McGriddle at McDonald's, you gotta take the bread off. You can eat the sausage and the cheese. That's all you can eat. Yeah, if you really, I don't want fast food. You can't eat no carbs if you want a keto diet. All right, that means you can't cheat. You know what I mean? You can't cheat when you on a keto diet. Cause you start all over again and then your body start acting crazy. But like I said, once you get off that those carbs, your body is gonna act funny. You may get the keto flu. But they have things for that at CVS or Walgreens or any place like that, Walmart, for anything with keto. Oh, I think I got a little flu keto. That means you might start coughing, you might catch a cold or anything. But on my next video, I will be talking about the vitamins that you really need to be taking on a regular basis. All right, I'm out. Y'all already know what time it is. Chill.